Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if the downloads folder is not opening in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick ways how to fix it. So the first method is that we are going to restart Windows Explorer. So first I will open Task Manager and look for Windows Explorer, type Explorer, and all you need to do is just right click and restart this Windows Explorer and just wait. After this, once the process is restarted, what you're going to do is you will again open File Explorer, and then afterwards you will go and try to open this folder. Again, if this folder is not opening, you will move towards the second method, which is to clear File Explorer history. So you're going to go to File Explorer first, and then afterwards you will go to this three dots, and then you will have to go to Options, and then you will have to go and click Clear, and then afterwards you will have to go and click Restore Default. After that, you will have to click OK and then click Apply and OK. Okay, this is the second method. Now you will check if the folder is opening or not. If it is not opening, you will move towards the third method, which is to optimize downloads folder. How I'm going to do it? The process is very simple. All you need to do is just go to downloads and right click and go to properties, and then you have to go to the customize, and then you have to go to the journal items. Make sure this should be selected, and after that this option should be selected. If it is unchecked, you have to check this option, and then you have to click apply and then click OK. Now we are done with the third method. Now you will check if it is working or not. If it is not working, then you will go to the last method, and hopefully after performing this step, this issue will be resolved. Now create new downloads folder. So maybe this old folder is corrupted, and that is the reason why it is not opening. So all you need to do is just right click and go to properties and then go to locations. So this is the default location of my downloads folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder. So I will click move. So all my data will be moved to my new folder. No data will be lost. So don't worry about it. Click move and create a folder over here. Downloads underscore updated. You can have any name, whatever you want. Select folder. So now this is my new downloads folder. So I will now click apply, and look, do you want to move all the files from the old location? Yes, I want to move all my files to my new location. Click yes. And now look, wait, it is taking some time to move all the files. And then afterwards I will click OK. I will click OK. Now, once we are done, I'm going to close the File Explorer and I will open the File Explorer again. Now I'm going to open the downloads folder. So now if I look at the path over here, this is my new path, download underscore updated. And I hope after performing all these steps, your issue will be resolved. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.